Hello students, let's continue the topic crystals and crystallization. Now what are these crystals and what is crystallization? Crystals are actually the homogeneous solids which have definite shape. They are arranged in a symmetrical way, so they have definite shape. They are bounded by plane surfaces meeting at sharp edges at definite angles to one another. You can see here different shapes of the crystals. They have plane surfaces. You can see plane surfaces here, and these plane surfaces are meeting at sharp edges at a particular angle. In all these they are meeting at different angles, right? And have a regular and definite shape. Now the process by which these crystals are produced is called crystallization. Now how these crystals can be formed? When a hot saturated solution is cooled slowly, remember slowly, when the hot saturated solution is cooled slowly, then the excess of solid gets separated in the form of crystals which have definite geometrical shape. Now the process by which crystals are separated or deposited from a hot saturated solution of a substance on cooling gently is called crystallization. Now one important thing to remember, that the liquid should be cooled slowly, because if you cool the liquid rapidly, you will not cool it separately, that instead of getting crystals, you will get amorphous solid. Amorphous solid is a solid that is not having a regular shape. Just like crystals, they have regular geometrical shape, but amorphous solids do not have regular geometrical shapes. So instead of getting crystals, you will get these amorphous solid. So this is the reason that the solution is cooled very slowly. Now preparation of crystals. Now one example is given here. Preparation of large size crystals of potassium nitrate. Now because we have to prepare crystal of potassium nitrate, that's why first of all we have to prepare its saturated solution. So first of all we will prepare a saturated solution of potassium nitrate at 90 degrees Celsius, and then we will filter that solution so as to remove if there is any impurity, it will get removed. Now we will take the filtrate in the beaker and allow the liquid to cool down. On cooling, you will get crystal of potassium nitrate. Now you can slowly pick up that crystal, tie it with a thread like this. Take a crystal, tie it with a thread, tie that thread to a rod and place it on the beaker like this. Now this crystal is called seed crystal. Now you have to keep this apparatus as such for 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, when you will observe it, you will see that the crystal has increased in size. The seed crystal has increased in size. Now why it increases in size? This is because the rest of the crystals which will form here in the solution will get attached to this seed crystal, and this will result in increase in size of seed crystal. So this is a method by which you can get crystals.